Hey guys and girls, it's Dave from Destination Off-Road, and today I'm in a nice warm beanie that I just got from Shackled. Thank you very much. And also a stubby holder. Awesome stuff. Check out their page. They're on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description, so check them out. Other than that, yes, the swag. Now, reason why I had to go with this swag is because I can't get in and out of my Escape single because it has high sides when I put it on the stretcher, and after my ankle reconstruction, I can't do it. I can't get in. So I had to get something in the interim because I want to go towards either a Darchi or a crash pad design. But at the moment, funds, birthdays, regos, things like that, I couldn't. But I'm planning on a trip soon and I needed something in interim, so I decided to get this. I'm happy with the swags that Kings do. I have 5 of them, but yeah, I wanted something that could fit on the stretcher and was a single. And when they first brought these out, how awesome. I'll throw the little clip in there of when we were at the June long weekend between my swag that was on my stretcher and Ryan's one, because Ryan just got one of these with the new stretchers. And then I'll do the unboxing. All right, stay tuned.
Doors closed.
Here we go.
All set up.
All set up. New single dome tent. And my escape tent. Biggest difference, I had to climb over that. Oh. And look at that. You just have to sit in it. Alright, so I have to do this in the house because at the moment down on the south coast, we have pretty much no tracks, no nothing to go out on. Since the fires last year, the council has kept everything closed, so it's national parks, so Morton National Park is closed. And we've only just had access to the power lines, but that's it. So unless I drive there roughly about 3 to 5 hours, I have no bush, so I have to do it here. And plus, around my place, it's too noisy. We've got the highway, so I don't want to do that. So let's see what's in the box. All right, so standard bag. It's the usual King's bag. It's pretty thick, and it's one thing I like about these bags. The zippers are massive and they're strong. Never had a problem with my 5 slags. As I said, I've got the Big Daddy, I've got a double escape, and we've got 3 escape singles. So now, let's see what else we can do. Oh god, this is heavy. You got the normals, got the swag, and it looks like the mattress is all up. We have the 2 telescopic, the tent poles. They're probably aluminium. So now I've been using these swags for 4 years, and I've always used the King's. I bought King swags because I was just starting out, and I've never had a problem with one of those poles. They've never broken, so yeah. Now, what's in here? Pretty good bag, actually. Oh, guide rope. Ryan never got these. Oh, solid. And they're shorties, they're not the long ones. How many did I get? 5. All right, so we'll get up and I'll show you. So, they're roughly 200 mil, and they're thick. I'd say roughly about 3 to 4 mil thick. They look pretty strong. So how many did you get? 5. So 2 on each side. Maybe you should have had 6. Maybe I got stitched up. So you'd need 4 to peg it down, and then you would have the 2 for the guide ropes. Oh. I put it on a swag, on a stretcher, so I don't need to peg it down. So that's cool. Now, I'll get rid of the box. That's it. That's all in the box. Oh, so 3-piece pole for the center. Now, this is new. Oh, I like this. So on my one, I've got the twisty one on my old ones, on my old Big Daddy. So you just, same thing here, so it's on a spring. Oh, so it's spring. That's a heavy duty spring too. So it locks off. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. And it has the cover. I'll keep that out because we don't. Oh, okay, they got plastic clips. So I'll bring it up. So we got plastic clips. I would have rather those the helmet style D-shackles, D-rings. Those are on the helmets. They're pretty strong on the escape ones anyway. So PVC is pretty good actually. It's pretty thick. This is the fun part. Now I've got my knife. This is the fun part. Trying not to, and it's actually got to protect the plastic. Try not to tear the mattress. Maybe need to sharpen this knife. Actually, little Swiss knife. Best thing about it, round the blade. But still, razor sharp. And cut myself. Put that away before I cut myself again. There we go. Ooh, I'm bleeding. That's a classic, classic Kings mattress. Put that away before I cut myself again. And we'll throw it over here to inflate itself. Now, how am I going to set this up? So I'm going to take this outside after I get it done. And I'm going to season it. Because first trip for this will be up to Lithgow, and it's going to be very, very cold. It's weird when you first put these on for the first time. Woo! So all the fittings are pretty much identical to most Kings products. They have the receiver for the metal. Let's see if I can get this up first go. So they're all the same plastic clips, and I can honestly say with my swags, well, all the King swags that I've had, that I've never broken one, which is pretty good. I like the material, so whether this canvas is any different to the other swag, it feels different. Like it feels thicker. And when I noticed Ryan doing up his, when it went in the bag, it was a little bit bigger than my escape. Put this up. Put the clip in, these eyelets. I haven't had a good run with the eyelets. On my Big Daddy, the eyelets were a bit hit and miss. Oh, that's easy. That's actually really easy. Oh, that was full on. Now, being that there's no mattress, get it around here. I don't have much room here. So I'll actually get it off and I'll show you. The zippers are amazing. They're very smooth too. So they're not going to be whiz-bang top of the range for the price that they are. I paid, so the purchase price for this at the moment I've seen when I just got on the computer this afternoon was $199 with $20 delivered. Whew, that beanie is awesome. I cannot wait to set this in the middle of the bush. Rightio. My camera is going mental because I can't see my face. Now I'm gonna do the flies and I'll throw the mattress in. Rightio. Back to price. I'm gonna sit down anyway. So for the price, I paid $220 delivered, and that was with that was with a canvas duffel bag. Canvas duffel bag. Same sort of zippers as the swags. Actually, they're more heavy duty. This is pretty much a copy, a lot of other big brands, but it was free. 20 bucks extra anyway. And the best thing, I can throw my bags in there, I don't have to use my work bag. The main thing with this, the main complaint that I had with this, is it doesn't have a base, so I'm gonna get a little base out of one of the sports bags and throw it in there. All right, so that's the swag. Now, bring it around, I'm gonna take you off again. So my camera's probably going mental. You probably can hear the lens. As you can see, there's plenty of room. All right, and I noticed, have a little pocket for your, oh, there you go. Have a little pocket for your phone, wallet, keys. Yeah, same thing, other side. So, now, it's got heaps of room, that's for sure. So, now I'm gonna jump in it and see what it feels like. Well, my ugly feet down there, and there's heaps of room. So, with the fly up, be good. Other than that, it's awesome. Woo! Rightio, so I've changed over to the GoPro. So here we go. Here's the swag. All set up. Now, I've thrown the mattress in it for the time being, and then I'll go back to the other one. I'll take the mattress out and then I can weather it. So, yeah. So I'm taking it up to Lithgow in a couple of weeks. From there, I will give my impressions. So this was just the first look of the swag. So far, it looks amazing. There's a couple of little things, but that's what you get for $199. That is an awesome price for the swag and for what you get. Between my existing swags and the new swag, it is bloody amazing. The quality looks top notch. A lot of the swag poles are exactly the same as the other ones. The plastic clips, as I said in the video, they have not broken for me, so they've lasted all that time. And I've had mine, as I said, for 4 years, never had a problem. Here's your thoughts on if you've used this swag so at the moment and whether you like it or not. With it being on the deck, they've got a 50mm mattress. They are pretty much exactly the same as the other one, unless you get the Big Daddy Deluxe, which has the 70mm one. I know the other branded swags that are in the same sort of design have a 70mm mattress. Some of them you have to buy the 70mm mattress, but as I said, I run mine on a stretcher, so I have no problem with. The main reason why I run my swags on stretchers is because where we camp, we're usually camping on rocky surfaces, uneven surfaces. I can adjust my stretcher and pretty much get it into the position where I want it, so my head's elevated a little bit more. And for anybody that's slept on an uneven surface, if you head down, it's the worst sleep you can possibly have. So the new shackle gear that I've been running, awesome gear. I'll leave a link in the description to their Instagram page. Check them out. I love wearing their gear. So I still have my gear and I still run it with the videos as well, but I'll be running this as well. Also, 80s Outdoors. I've got to remember, these little items, they attach to your swag zipper or anything like that. They'll be going into the swag for testing as well, which I reckon they'll be top notch. I don't really like having anything bright in my swag, but I'll give it a go. Worst case scenario, I'm going to have one as a key ring and one on the outside of the swag. Throw these on your guide ropes. We trip over our guide ropes all the time, so these would be awesome guide ropes. Check them out. I'll leave them in the description as well. A link to their little Instagram page. Give them a go. All right, take it easy, and I'll see you later when I do a updated version of what I think of the swag. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.